Plant FAQs. Davallia Fejeensis, rabbit's foot fern. Davallia Fejeensis, your guide to the fuzzy fern friend. Hey there, plant enthusiasts. Ferbu here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of Davallia Fejeensis, also known as the rabbit's foot fern. This unique fern is a captivating addition to any indoor jungle, with its lush green fronds and fuzzy brown rhizomes that resemble, you guessed it, rabbit's feet. Intrigued? Let's answer some of the most common questions about this fuzzy friend. What is Davallia Fejeensis? Davallia Fejeensis is an epiphytic fern, meaning it thrives by growing on other plants or surfaces in its natural habitat. It hails from the Fiji Islands in Oceania, where it enjoys the warm, humid climate. This fern is known for its delicately divided fronds. Imagine emerald green lace. That's the kind of foliage you can expect. Fuzzy rhizomes. These brown and yellow structures creep along the surface, resembling rabbit's feet and anchoring the fern. Relatively fast growth. Compared to some ferns, Davallia Fejeensis can put on new growth at a decent pace, filling your pot or terrarium in no time. Davallia Fejeensis versus staghorn fern. Ferns with fuzzy flair. Another popular fern with fuzzy features is the staghorn fern, Platycerium spp. Both share a love for humidity and a unique appearance. However, there are key differences. Growth habit. Davallia Fejeensis creeps and sprawls, while staghorns form a central rosette of fronds. Rhizomes. Davallia Fejeensis boasts fuzzy, rabbit foot-like rhizomes, while staghorns have a more shield-like structure covered in brown hairs. Light needs. Davallia Fejeensis prefers medium to bright indirect light, whereas staghorns can tolerate brighter, indirect light. Ultimately, the choice depends on your preference. Davallia Fejeensis offers a cascading effect, perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. Staghorns, with their architectural form, excel on mounted displays. How to care for Davallia Fejeensis. Bringing a Davallia Fejeensis home? Here's how to create a thriving environment. Light. Aim for medium to bright indirect light. Avoid harsh midday sun. Temperature. Maintain temperatures between 60 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 15 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid frost or sudden temperature drops. Humidity. Davallia Fejeensis thrives in humid conditions. Mist regularly. Use a pebble tray or consider a humidifier. Watering. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry. Don't let the fern sit in soggy soil, but don't let it dry out completely either. Soil. A loose, well-draining potting mix with good aeration is ideal. Consider a mix of orchid bark, perlite, and sphagnum moss. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a weak dose of liquid fertilizer once a month can be beneficial. Davallia Fejeensis propagation, sharing the fuzzy love. Feeling generous? Davallia Fejeensis can be propagated through spore division, a more advanced technique, or by dividing mature rhizomes. Here's a simplified explanation of rhizome division. Locate a mature fern with healthy, established rhizomes. Carefully cut a section of the rhizome with at least one growing point where new fronds emerge. Pot the divided section in a well-draining mix and provide high humidity until new growth appears. Common Davallia Fejeensis problems. Troubleshooting your fuzzy friend. While Davallia Fejeensis is a forgiving plant, here are some potential issues and solutions. Brown fronds. This could be due to underwatering, excessive light, or low humidity. Adjust your watering routine, provide shade, and increase humidity. Stunted growth. Lack of light or nutrients can cause slow growth. Ensure adequate indirect light, and consider a weak monthly fertilization during the growing season. Pests. Mealybugs and scale can be occasional visitors. Treat them with insecticidal soap or neem oil solution. Here are some additional tips for success. Potting. When choosing a pot, opt for one with good drainage holes. Consider a hanging basket or a slatted pot to allow for air circulation around the rhizomes. Grooming. Regularly remove any brown or dead fronds to maintain a healthy appearance. You can also trim overgrown fronds to encourage bushier growth. Repotting. As your Davallia Fejeensis matures, it might outgrow its current pot. Repot every 1 to 2 years into a slightly larger container with fresh potting mix. Davallia Fejeensis, beyond the FAQs. If you're looking to delve deeper into the world of Davallia Fejeensis, here are some interesting tidbits. Symbolism. In some cultures, Davallia Fejeensis is considered a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Air purification. Like many ferns, Davallia Fejeensis can help improve indoor air quality by removing common toxins. Terrarium suitability. This fern thrives in the high humidity of a terrarium, making it a perfect choice for creating a miniature jungle environment. Davallia Fejeensis, a fuzzy friend for your indoor jungle. Davallia Fejeensis, with its unique charm and relatively easy care requirements, makes a fantastic addition to any plant collection. Its delicate fronds and fuzzy rhizomes add a touch of whimsy to your indoor space. So, why not give this fern friend a try and bring a piece of the Fiji Islands into your home?